So I've got some upgrades made to the bot. I have both of the Nerf blasters running off of a relay. I was going to get all fancy with PWM, and it just turned out to be just a very time-consuming thing. So I just went for the fast and efficient way of getting it done, and I just did a test, and this thing's so fun. Okay, so I'm going to run another test. Both the blasters are going to fire. I have joystick control over the height. It doesn't go any farther down than that, which at the time, if I would have been thinking, if the robot is going up a hill and I want to shoot down over the top, I really can't do that. That's going to be a limitation with this. But this is as far up as it goes. Make sure I've got no wires getting pinched here. So that's up. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do some more vids on detailing what I did, how I'm gonna do this. Of course, I gotta do more tests. It's sloppy and snowy outside. I would lose all of my rival rounds if I went outside and did a test. I can't do that today. I gotta wait, I gotta be patient. It's either gotta freeze solid so that the rival rounds stay on top of the snow, or it's got to melt off, one or the other. So, so stay tuned. I also have to figure out how I am going to categorize these videos because of the whole COPPA children's protection rules on YouTube now. Because if I put keywords Nerf in the video, I don't know. I got to think about all that. That's why I've been dragging my feet on getting this video out. I was working really hard in September, October, and November, and then COPPA hit YouTube, and I got really discouraged. I quit working on this for a while, and anyway, so right now this is just kind of a teaser. That's really what this is. So stay tuned. There is going to be more bot videos and bot builds coming up. I got to talk about the radios, hooking up the radios, how I did the tilt. I got to go over all that stuff. I'm going to make some detailed videos on those things. And of course we gotta have some fun with this thing. This thing is fun. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Sorry it's just a teaser, but that's just where I'm at for now. Thanks. Bye.